Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are tired of paying ridiculous cable bills or missing out on the biggest live sports events just because your favorite streaming app suddenly stopped working, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a completely new lineup of working apps that will instantly unlock all the live sports, movies, and premium shows you could ever want. And the greatest part? Every single app I'm showing you today is 100% free. If you want to transform your Fire TV device into the ultimate entertainment hub in under 5 minutes, grab your remote, sit back, and let's get this set up right now. All right, so let's dive right in and get you set up to stream whatever you want. To kick things off, we need to grab one essential utility app from the official Amazon store. The quickest way to do this is to simply tap the left button on your navigation ring once. That drops us right onto the search icon. Now just start typing the word downloader. Honestly, you usually only need to type a few letters before it pops up in the list below. The second you see downloader, scroll down, highlight it, and select it. Click the center button to download. Now, when it finishes, it might prompt you to open it immediately. But hold on, don't open it just yet. Hit the home button on your remote. We have to tweak one quick setting on our device to make sure these new apps install smoothly. Scroll all the way to the right side of your screen to the settings gear. Once you are there, push down and navigate over to My Fire TV. Go ahead and click that. Now look at your list. You want to see Developer Options. If you don't see it, do not panic. It's incredibly easy to unlock. Just click on About, and then I want you to click the center button on your remote exactly 7 times. You'll get a tiny message at the bottom saying you are already a developer. Hit your back button once, and boom, Developer Options is right there. Click into it, turn on ADB debugging, and then go into Install Unknown Apps. Find the downloader app we just got and turn that on. Excellent. Hit your home button again. Now we can finally open up that downloader app we grabbed earlier. When it launches, you will see a text box right in the center. Use your directional pad to click into that box, and we are going to type in a very specific address. Make sure you type this exactly as it appears and hit Go. This is going to download a secondary app that holds the key to everything. Once it prompts you, hit Install and then hit Done. Go ahead and delete the installation file to save space on your device. Now let's open up that new app we just got. It's going to ask you for a store code. Guys, listen, I spent countless hours testing, updating, and curating this private app store so you have access to the absolute best live TV, sports, streams, and movie platforms available anywhere. All I ask in return for giving you free, unlimited access to my personal vault is that you take half a second to hit that subscribe button down below. It helps me out tremendously, and it ensures I can keep bringing you guys the best working methods every single week. Thank you so much to everyone who just subscribed. Let's enter the code together, FireStick. Hit Next, and you are in. Welcome to my custom store. I have organized this completely by category, so you can jump straight to the live sports section or the movie section without guessing. The first app I highly recommend getting is Cinema Plus. This is an absolute powerhouse, but I want to note that it requires a separate video player to run properly. Think of it like needing a DVD player to play a DVD. So right next to it in the store, make sure you download the Fluid Video Player. Just install it and leave it alone. Cinema Plus will use it automatically. Next up, let's grab Phantom Movies. The great thing about Phantom is that unlike Cinema Plus, the video player is built right into the app. There are no extra steps. Just click download, hit install, and you are ready to go. The last app I want everyone to try out today is Voltra TV. This is quickly becoming one of my absolute favorites because it is fully loaded with over 50,000 movies and TV shows, and the streams connect instantly. Go ahead and click install on that one as well. We only grabbed a few today, but my store is packed with over 50 amazing apps. Feel free to download as many as you want, test them out, and see which interface works best for you. When you are done, just go back to your Fire TV home screen, scroll over to the apps icon, and your brand new entertainment lineup is sitting right there at the bottom, waiting for you. I really hope this setup transforms the way you watch TV and saves you a ton of money. If this guide helped you out, please drop a like on the video, make sure you are subscribed, and share this with a friend so they can cut the cord too. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys in the next video.